Hi, welcome to my channel. This week I'm gonna open up two brand new sealed collections. This Lamborghini and a police bike. I also want to share with you Tomica 104, which is this, a helicopter. Very nice. Alright, I just want to share that to you. It's already it's a loose item that I picked up from the hobby store. Okay, before I open this up, I want to share with you a trip to Mikasa Park, which features the Mikasa Battleship, Japanese battleship back in the 1900s, specifically 1904, 1905, Yellow Sea and Sea of Japan battle with Russia. It's a flagship of Admiral Togo. So I want to take you inside the battleship and hope you enjoy it. There are models in there, but they're not Tomica. But you'll see it. It's over 100 models of ships that Japan uses from World War I all the way to present. But I only took a few video of them. But literally there's 100 displayed in there. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, I already pre-cut the plastic covering, so I won't be wasting a lot of time trying to cut it. And I'm gonna open up the Lamborghini first and show it to you. It's still brand new, kind of tight. So this is what it is. It's a nice red colored Lamborghini. Opens up, shows you what inside, and that is the Miura Jota SVR, and this one is the police bike. And there it is, folks. Nice police bike with red lights and pretty nice wheels turning and all. Okay, so that's all, folks. That's what I have for this week, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe, and I'll feature more stuff next week. Thank you.